Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James. Back again for another unboxing video. Guess what? I got something real nice for Christmas, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video on it right now. Check it out. This what my lovely wife, the Crystal Real Nester, got for me for Christmas. Check this out. Ooh, a nostalgia 8-ounce professional popcorn machine. Check this out. This the big boy. This the kind you used to see at the old style movies, or if you watch an old style movie, this is what you'll see. It's an 8-ounce stainless steel kettle with dual hinge lid and built-in stern. Pops up to 32 cups of popcorn each back. It's 53 inches tall. Storage compartments. Main unit separates from the countertop. You can either put it on the stand. She paid extra to get the stand. I like that. Or you can just sit this on top of a table. Also, right here, I got it on the side now because you have to look. So this is the box right here. So we're gonna unbox this baby. And oh yeah, I got some extras. Actually, let me show you the extras before I even got it unboxed. We got the bags here, right there. And check this out. Look what she got me. She got me a whole bag of popcorn. Now look, this goes with it, right? This is the nostalgia. All-in-one 4-ounce popcorn pack. You know, this is specifically made for the nostalgia popcorn machine. Look, I got popcorn forever. So if the world gets shut down again, we're gonna live off popcorn and wine. Check this out. She also bought this for me too. Look, we got different flavors right here. Let me get it together. We got butter, kettle corn, bacon and cheddar, caramel, ranch, nacho cheddar. What's that? Cheesy jalapeno. I'm gonna get that to her. I ain't. And then last but not least, we got white cheddar. That's right, you guys. Got all these flavors, all this popcorn. I got the bags. Now, let's get this baby opened up and let's see what's happening. Alright, you guys, this is a big boy. I already kind of scoped it out. When you first open it up, you got the instruction manual here. I'm going to definitely read it this time. I'm actually going to read it because I don't want to mess it up. So we got the instruction manual. You got all your tools you're going to need to put this baby together right here. I'm going to put that over there. And, okay, when you open it up, there's how you did it. This is a big boy, so I think, yeah, I gotta lay this down because you want to lay it down. You want to lay it down when you open it up. Lay it down. Yeah, lay it down. Woo. And then you can just. This baby is heavy too. I'm warning y'all, this thing is heavy. There we go. Just slide it out like so. This thing, it's got some weight to it, but it's definitely got some weight to it. So we're just gonna put this on the side here. Gonna put that on the side. Oh, it's pretty much in one piece. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna lay it on the side. Let me stand this up. Oh, that's what I gotta put together. I gotta put together the actual stand. So that's the only part of putting it together is the base. So let me make sure. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I should have had the grandpa knife. Okay. Woo! So that on there. Look, you guys, there's the wheel. There's one of the wheels right there. Check that out. Oh, I got, make sure I got you guys on fleet there. Woo! These are I got them 20s. Oh no, these 10s. These 10s, you got 10s. Got the wheel. So the other side, okay, this is a frame. Yep. So basically the only part you gotta put together is just the stand part. The actual case is together. There's another piece. I'm gonna take, we got another piece here. Yep. This is the back side and the tray. Should be, there we go, yep. Should be another wheel on this side. Here you go. I got another 20s right here. And take this down. And I have this right side up? I got it upside down, I think. Yep. So let me. Oh, yep. This is glass, you guys. This is glass. But let me get this right here. There's that. So, and what else is here? Oh, yep. Just got a couple more pieces. So all of those pieces is basically, all that's basically the stand. All that's basically the stand, you guys. So here we go. This is what we have left. So now, let me take the paper this so you guys can see what the real deal is. So we're gonna open this baby up right here. Ooh, ooh. Oh, wait a minute. Let me put you guys down for a minute. I want to make sure you guys can see. This comes up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the top piece. Well, I guess no, this is the piece that's gonna go down the bottom. Cause remember, it's a door. So this opens up, and that's where you'll be able to store everything. The nostalgia. So we're gonna put this on the side. This is real glass right here. No plastic. It's real glass. Here's your cord here. It's got the three. So you got the 3-prong adapter here. So right there you got your 3-prong adapter. What else? What else? What else? Am I upside? Oh, I think wait a second, you guys. I'm tripping. I'm upside down. Oh yeah, I'm upside down. There we go. That's how we do it, cause the light. Yeah. There we go. There we go. That's how we do it. And they got the tape on the doors right here. So here's the buttons for the different lights. Okay. Yep. And then that's the base. So okay, we got it. I got it. So this goes here. And then this. That's going to sit up there, and then that's going to sit up there. Then the wheels are going to go there, and then that's it. These are all the internals right here, and everything else is in there that you need to set that up. So look how big this thing is, you guys. All right, you guys. Once you take all the tape off and open it up, you'll see inside here they've got your scoopers. Oh yeah, it looks like there's a screwdriver right there. Scoopers. Oh, I don't want to drop that. Let me put that over there. So inside here there's your base, and there's your actual handle back there. So trying to do all this, there's the kettle bottom right there coming out. So and then that's the base. Let me figure out how to get this out of here. And once you get everything out of there, this is what you're gonna find in there. You got your scooper, your, I guess, thing for your salt, your butter. You got a screwdriver, 2 handles, and this is the handle that goes on the side right there, the little handle. So these are all the pieces that are inside of it right there. Alright, you guys, here's the finished product. I got it all together. I'll say elapsed time was probably about an hour just because I was taking my time, but you could do it in less than an hour, no problem. Basically, we got the wheels here. Here's the little door where you can put all your goodies right inside here, all your utensils. Here's a tray right here. This is the main door. You fold that down. You got your scoopers and your all your cups and everything you need for all your paraphernalia. Close that up, and look, turn this on. There's your light right there on top there. I don't want to turn this on, that's the heater. But there's the light, and then you open this up. You got your tray, you put your kernels in there, and then, you know, this rotates. Once you turn that on, this one rotate. Well, not actually rotate, it'll go around in a circle. And then that's it. Right there, you got the whole setup. You see how tall I am, so you see how tall it is. And also, look, it's sitting on 20s. I got them Daytons on there, so it's sitting on 20. So when you move it, you just lift that up and you roll it just like that. You can move it around however you want to move it. You know, but you still got, you know, the power cord on it. Other than that, you're all set. And we're good to go. That's how you put it together. Hey, I'm going to do another video of actually setting this up and getting my pop on. So make sure you guys definitely tune in. That will be coming right after this video. But there's the unboxing. That's right. So make sure you guys check that out. The Nostalgia 8-ounce professional popcorn cot. You see I got my man cave down here. You know, I got my TV. This is my man cave. Got my pool table. So this is another addition to the man cave. So this is just the unboxing. Make sure y'all stay tuned where I actually have this baby all together and fired up. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.